In the volcanic highlands of Mexico, the journey of liquid gold begins.
Harvesting is a precision art. Only the fruit with the highest oil content is selected. Before the sun hits its peak, tons of fruit are crated and ready. Time is the enemy. The fruit must reach the factory within hours.
Welcome to the processing plant, a cathedral of stainless steel and automation.
The process starts with the intake, ton after ton.
High-pressure jets and rotating scrubbers remove every speck of field dust.
Laser sorters and human eyes ensure only the perfect fruit makes the cut. Then, the violence begins. The crusher.
Skin, flesh, and stone. Everything is ground into a single, nutrient-rich paste. This paste is pumped into malaxation tanks. This is where the magic happens. For 60 minutes, the paste is slowly churned and warmed. This releases the oil from the cells.
Now, the separation. A horizontal centrifuge spinning at 3,000 RPM.
G-force separates the heavy solids and water from the lighter oil.
The waste, called pomace, is ejected and recycled as fertilizer.
But still contains microscopic water particles.
It needs one final polish. A vertical centrifuge removes the last trace of moisture.
The result is perfection. Extra virgin avocado oil.
Every batch is tested for acidity and peroxide levels.
The oil rests in nitrogen-sealed tanks to prevent oxidation.
Meanwhile, the glass bottles are forged from fire. Sterilized with steam, ready for the oil.
The filling line runs at 500 bottles per minute.
Sealed instantly to lock in freshness. The label signifies quality. Automation takes over for the final pack. From Mexico to markets across the globe.
Crossing oceans to reach your kitchen.
With a smoke point of 500 degrees, it is perfect for searing.
High heat, neutral flavor, perfect crust.
Or drizzled raw over fresh greens.
Packed with healthy fats and antioxidants.
From the rough skin of the fruit
to the liquid gold in your pan. This is the engineering of nature.
factory uncovered.
Subscribe to see inside the machine.